Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to add call button on Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, open the Google Ads, then log into your account. Now go to the campaigns section. After clicking this option, go to the ads section. Here you can see there are lots of ads. Click on one. Now scroll down and go to this more assets option. Here you can see the call option. You can add it. Here you can see you have to add a phone number here, and after adding the number, the call button will be shown to your Google Ads interface. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.